Kungsgatan 51 in Trollhättan, Sweden, staircase A. Now I have built all of the elevators in this building. All of them are cramped protest elevators from 1956, but this one is a bit different. It has large window. In 1956 sorry about serial number. It's hard to see. It's 4 person 320. Or this one is actually for 3 person 240 kilograms. Fourth floor. Ground floor. Is built by the ground, maintained by wing ice. Basement is locked off, unfortunately. Fourth floor. Somebody's coming up. I have to wait a bit. Ground floor. Fourth floor. Navigator doesn't work, unfortunately. Or, I mean, lights 4, 3, 2 and ground floor, but the first floor works. That's